What is up everyone, and in this video I'm modifying this RC car with a 9V battery pack right here. So let's get started. The original RC car is a 4.5V RC car. Do not try this at home because you could blow your RC car. I don't want to take any blame for it. I'm doing this at my own risk. If you like content like this, please give us a like and subscribe because it really helps me out and I'll get closer to monetization. The first part of this video is just me modifying my RC car, and then at the end we'll get onto the challenges. Also, don't forget to use a plastic bag to keep all of your things safe and make sure you don't lose any screws, because that's a personal trick I use. If you don't want to see me modifying this RC car and just skip to where I do the climbing and test my RC car, skip to 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Also, I'll put some music on while the time lapse is on right now. What I'm doing now is officially soldering the 9V battery pack. Well, right now I'm soldering the negative lead back to the RC car so it can run properly. Now we're going to move on to the positive lead right now. It's looking pretty good. Sorry if my solders are annoying you guys in the comments. I'm not that good at soldering, but it'll do. Also, these third hand tools are really amazing. I used to have to cut myself, burn myself when I was without using one of these clamping tools. They were amazing because you can just clip your wires in, solder away without getting any burns on you. We're almost done with this positive wire, meaning we can start packing everything up together and finishing off this RC car, getting ready for the adventure of climbing, seeing the tilt test, and much more. We're officially putting the RC car back together right now, screwing it all up and making it look nice. Now we're moving on to the part you've all been waiting for, the challenges. This first one is climbing. We're going to be climbing this here to see if it can make it up here. I spent multiple attempts trying until finally I got up. The reason why I couldn't get up was probably because I had a bunch of weight on the back and all the power was going into the back wheels because this is a 2-wheel drive RC car. Anyway, now we're moving on to the towing challenge. The big RC car's engines are definitely not on, otherwise you and me both would have known who would have won. Anyway, now we're going to be moving on to the angle test to see how much of an angle my RC car can withstand. We're slowly going sideways, even more. It's doing pretty well at the moment. That's crazy at the moment. Holy. I find that insane how far that can go until tipping. As I said at the start of the video, if you like content like this, please leave us a like and subscribe because it really helps me out and gets me closer to that monetization goal. Thank you, bye.